Hey traders, it's Steve from the Stock Index Trading Room, and I'm going to go super fast with this. We are continuing to grow in our room and bringing new, more exciting trading opportunities to our members with Rob Mitchell's continued work. I'm going to go over a real simple price pattern today that you won't see on your chart, but you'll be able to see with Trap Trader Oscillator using advanced order flow methods. We're going to talk real quickly about how that works for you. We're going to make this legal. Please read this if you never have. We're going to talk about signals and market entries and a little bit about historic win rates and track records, but we have no idea about the future. We're not claiming that the market entries that have worked for years will continue to work. Please be aware of that. Short-term trading, just only two key concepts. Where's it going? And where do we want to enter the market to take advantage of that? I talk to traders every day that ultimately will guess direction right, but have no real winning idea as far as risk reward about where to enter the market and how to take advantage, maximum advantage of reward to risk. And we spend a lot of time on that every day on our charts as the market is open. Entering the market from proven historic winning market interests that have a great track record is sort of our bailiwick. That's sort of what we excel at. So I'm going to show you one that the members love, and I think you'll understand why. Price follows order flow. It pretty much has to in most all market conditions. And so it just stands to reason that if we use advanced order flow methods to find winning entries to the market, we're going to prevail over other traders that maybe have the same insight as range expansion is going up, down, or sideways, but they really don't know what to do with that. Okay, so 90% of traders spend 90% of their time trying to figure out where we're going and can't take advantage of that. And we're going to show you how we do it in the room. It may or may not make sense to you. I hope it does, because we've helped a lot of traders get on the side of this that they want to be on. So using the tools we have, can we find reliable repeating price patterns that give us an edge in our trading? Picture's worth 1,000 or more words. I'm just going to look at some charts now, or look at a chart now, and go through that. This is Friday, July the 15th, 9:30 open. If you have questions, send me an email, support@Stock Index Trading Room. If you want more information or you want to come and join and take advantage of this pattern that I'm going to show you and others like it, go to our website. A neat little 6-7 minute video, introduction video there, and some information about how to best get started if this makes sense to you. So what we're going to look at is we're going to look at an ABCD pattern in order flow. Okay, and it's hidden on your chart. Okay, this is best utilized and exploits traders on the wrong side of the market when order flow is going against price. Okay, diverging against price. So an ABCD price pattern is simply A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D. It's the most common price action pattern that you'll see. It repeats over and over and over each and every day in every market. Okay, so that in and of itself does us no good. So what we're going to do is Trap Trader Oscillator was coded, tested, refined. Rob's worked for a little off and on, a little over 4 years to get the 4th generation of TTO Trap Trader Oscillator advanced. It has both this look, which is what we're going to focus on today, price bar look, with order flow support and resistance that's cool, that our members love. But everything here, World Cup trading champion, master trader, master coder, Rob Mitchell. Okay. So what the market gets open and it's settling in here. And if you follow our work, you know that Fridays, the market tends to work down. There's fundamental reason for that. I'm not going to teach that here and go through that here, but it does tend to go down. You'll look at your charts and you'll go, holy smoke. Pretty cool. So let's look at the right side of our screen here. And what we have is price working up. Looks like it's trying to make a bottom. This is not a bottoming formation. This is a topping formation. We'll teach you that in the room. This is not a bottoming formation. And our latest work, months and months and months on that, is we can tell you with a 90% level of confidence that until this bar is taken out to the upside, the market is still under distribution to the downside. With this pattern here, we have over a 90% level of confidence, so we're going to come down and take this out. Okay. So we have A, B, C, D pattern. Now, what's necessary to complete this pattern on Trap Trader Oscillator is that we have to have this breakout under support. This is price action support. We have to have this breakout through this. We call this smart break point lead out, L-E-A-D out, lead out. Here is a buy lead out from a really good position, a really nice reversing signal here. And you can see we break through resistance in order flow. But here we're breaking through support. We are in distribution. We are in a downtrend. We've acknowledged in the room that until we take this bar out, the market will continue to cycle down. Okay, so this is a real simple, easy pattern to jump on. A, B, C, D down. We get our lead out. One of the things you notice, I'm not going to go into this. When we have this is a price bar, a visual representation of what's going on. Again, you will not see any of this looking at price. Okay. But one of the things you'll notice when our, we call this needle bar, when this closes south of the pink line, let's look over here and see what happens. South of the pink line over here, we tend to go down. North of the green line, this would be support and resistance breaking up through. A little bit of up movement, not a lot. A little bit, but it would tell you, if nothing else, let's wait till we can get underneath. This is just order flow balance. We can get underneath that and we can start working again with the market. So we don't trade all of that, but we'll put patterns with this indication that have a really super high, really nice track record. So we're right up at the edge of where the market is declaring. Now, this is just simply from looking at structure. Okay, and we teach this in the room every day. I teach it in the room every day. So this is resistance. And here we have a market trying to go up and it fails right here. Okay, so we have, what do we have? We have an A, B, C, D down pattern that's broken out. We get confirmation. We call this needle bar confirmation. And taking this out, our level of confidence to take that out is super high. Okay, so you can see that was a really nice winning entry for us in the room. Now, retail sales came out. And you can see here, all of this printed in about a minute. Okay. And I could go through here and show you a lot of diverging patterns and whatever, but that's very misleading. And I don't want to mislead you. So we're going to get out of the junk. I'm almost through. We're going to look at one more pattern here just to reinforce the look. So here from the edge, We like this holding, okay, within a bar or two, but we get our A, B, C, D up, A, B, C, D up from edge, from support. Now, whether you would have gotten in and hopped on a winner and taken that or held this, depending on how you want to trade it, we have a very high level of confidence that until this gets taken out, we're going to take this out, which of course we did. You know, very nice for the people that waited that out. If you want to trade that way, a very nice trade. If not, scalp your way up, scalp your way up, scalp your way up till we take that out. But you're on the correct side of range expansion. Okay, so we teach that in a room. And in our ABCD pattern, see, you'll never see that on your chart, but we see it here. You go back over and look, and you go, well, Steve, that's as plain as day. ABCD up. So you're telling me that order flow is screaming up against this last move. Yeah, these folks are on the wrong side. And of course, you can see it went up and took them out. Okay, so that's it. 1 of 10. Now we have at least 10 winning patterns on Trap Trader Oscillator Advanced on this top indicator. ABCD is one. Order flow hooks are one with momentum. That's a brilliant entry there. We've taught you that in some of our stuff. But we've got like 10 or so patterns here. Yeah, you can't trade all 10, and of course you wouldn't want to, you would never want to try. But you'll find a couple that you like, that makes sense, that you have confidence in, and you'll start being on the correct side of range expansion. And then we'll teach you how to look at structure and say, okay, if you want to hang in here, we're probably going to take this out. So that's it. I'm going to cut this one off. ABCD pattern and order flow that you won't ever see on your chart on your price, but we can see with the indicator and with Trap Trader Oscillator, reading order flow as it does, really, really advanced techniques to get into the market, right place, right time. So on behalf of all the members of the Stock Index Trading Room and Master Trader, World Cup Trading Champion, Master Coder Rob Mitchell, happy trading. We hope your trading's going well. And shoot me an email if you have questions or if we can help you reach your goals.